Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love pickles but hate having to fish around in the pickle jar, then you are going to love this Hourglass pickle jar from Homnoble.
This is one of the coolest inventions of all time. This really sturdy glass, hourglass shaped jar is the perfect container for things like pickles and olives. All you have to do is add your pickles right to the jar. All of the juice will collect down in the bottom container while leaving the pickles at the top, and you can just screw the lid right on. The best part about these being the top and bottom are nice and flat and sturdy, so you don't have to worry about this tipping over in your refrigerator or on your counter. It fits perfectly in your refrigerator and is nice and safe. I also love how this is dishwasher safe, which is such a huge win for these. I have even tried this with olives, and look how convenient this is. You flip it over, all of the juice drains down to the bottom where it will stay while you collect your olives right out of the top of the jar. No more fishing around in there with your fingers or trying to chase the olives around with a spoon. They're right there for you, and you get to keep your fingers clean and your olives stay juicy.
So keep your fingers and your pickles fresh and get this Hourglass jar. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.